Google Cloud's mission is to drive digital transformation through data. Okay. And Google Cloud helps you with infrastructure modernization, application development, and as well as management, right? So we are able to also optimize your operations. It can also help improve distance learning and collaboration with workforce transformation. All right, so many of you seated in this webinar today would have interacted with Google in some form in your daily lives. In fact, if you just take out your mobile phones now and take a quick glance, right, you will notice how many of these icons you see on the slide today are also the icons that you tap on your phone on a daily basis to make use of the functions or features that they provide. So it's not surprising that across all these 9 products, Google has exceeded 1 billion users each. And of course, there's a commonality among all of them. So they are all powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the cloud. And so this transforms the very way we interact with one another and helping us to collaborate more effectively. So, right, so I just like to share recognizing the demand of our cloud technology in many different parts of the world, from global multinational customers to even to our country in Malaysia, right? We have broadened our region footprint. So we are now live in 24 regions and 4 new regions, as well as 73 zones globally, allowing us to serve our customers in over 200 countries around the world. So in Malaysia, we have 2 points of presence. Okay, and yeah, just to share, Google also owns the subsea cable, as you can see, the highlighted in green. All right, so this to ensure secure network and resilient infrastructure for all our customers, and we are also proud to share that our continued commitment to renewable energy. So we have been the largest procurer of renewable energy, and as well as 100% carbon neutral for many years to come. So yeah, we are very pleased to introduce a number of new innovation in our own Google data center infrastructure. Okay, so based on the slide earlier, not only the network is larger, right? So enables us to offer you a unique combination of speed and reliability. So most cloud providers uses what they call a hot potato routing. When you are sending out traffic from their infrastructure, they offload it to a public internet as soon as possible. So that traffic is called hot potato, right? That they want to transfer the hot potato out of their hands, right? So, but in Google, we don't do that. So we use what we call a cold potato, all right? And we keep that traffic on Google's private network as long as possible and exit the public internet at a location nearest to the end user, all right? And usually it's in the same city or town that enables us to offer a better reliability and better performance and of course, better security. All right, so built on this global scale infrastructure is one of our digital transformation platform. So which provides you a number of capabilities to modernize your applications and of course across both hybrid and multi-cloud environment to process data at scale for analytic purposes and also to use Google machine learning tools to understand data in new ways. All right, so be it your on-prem infrastructure right now, or whether you run on VMware, or you are actually currently on other cloud service provider like AWS or Azure, right? Google Anthos will be able to manage your multi-cloud environment. All right, so Google Cloud offers a serverless, fully managed, and of course, a low-cost data warehouse platform, which lays the foundation of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So it reduces your time to query and transform data in both real-time and batch modes. So customers can ingest any volume of data, streaming or at rest. You can also reduce the complex workaround or compromise for reliably managing the data processing, as well as preparation for machine learning, artificial intelligence data pipeline. So I will share a little bit more about this. And of course, another component of our digital transformation platform is Google Workspace. I'm sure some of you here are very familiar with the Gmails, the Google Meet, and which is what we are using right now. And of course, there are also Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Form, and Google Drive. Okay, so in Malaysia, we work with the Ministry of Education and schools to provide home-based learning to over 5 million students and teachers on Google for Education online platform. So upon their national rollout of Google Workspace for Education, has also embarked on their first step in providing actionable insights to students' learning capabilities. And of course, online behavior and attention that allow students or allow teachers to closely monitor each student's progress, even though the lessons may be held virtually. So the solution position that gave Ministry of Education the confidence that online teaching and learning can be executed smoothly across 10,000 schools nationwide and is highly secured. The student devices can be monitored using mobile device management capabilities. And whenever a change was required to some data parameters, it could be done quickly through Google's Data Studio, as well as BigQuery. So Google's artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities help to achieve the ministry's needs to better understand the students' behavior during online lessons. And of course, there were insights that were also communicated to their teachers as immediate feedback. All right, so I just want to share with you, this is a high-level overview of what Google Cloud has to offer. So Google Cloud Platform is a suite of computing services, from computing and hosting to machine learning, that runs on the same infrastructure that Google's use internally for end user products such as Google Search, YouTube, and and many more. All right.